see this.
Wow. What's out there?
Cars! And they look like Hot Wheels cars.
Do they?
Yeah.
And what else do we see?
Well, it looks like a Hot Wheels car because we're so far up here. And it looks like I'm just playing with these. It's like I'm just playing with these on the...
And how far away does that road over there look from you?
Really far.
And how high would you say you're up?
On top of the world.
Like way down there?
Yeah.
Is it windy up here?
Yes,
It is windy. So, would you recommend people come to this place?
Yeah.
Especially kids?
Yeah, and tell everybody that we're famous.
Yeah, and they should come here and sit on this concrete wall by this sign right here in case of floods and take in this view, right?
Yeah.
And they would enjoy it, wouldn't they?
They would.
All right, that's a good one. And we'll look at the memorial in a minute.
All right.
There she is up at the Wright Memorial. Just standing there, looking good. Get her some different angles here. And then you can even pause it and read that plaque and check it out. That's where we were at the overlook down there. Go jump down?
Yeah. Oh, and also, guys, you can see my pictures on Facebook.
Yes, you can.
So I need to run in place. But don't run. Yeah, don't go that fast. I'm scared of being really fast.
Look how fast he got up there.
Can you go any higher? Give it a try. Well, you came down it, didn't you?
Grandpa, I'm gonna hit you.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
You slide down and you're not. I promise you this ain't gonna touch you, or you ain't gonna touch it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! That was fun.
Look, we'll get you right through the flowers. What a scene, huh? And that bee right there. See that bee on the flower?
Yeah.
Look at you with the skills.
Good job.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Is that fun?
Yeah. Ow.
So you're going to climb this web.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
And then, see, just like her. Then you're going to go get on that web there in the center. Okay, that was a big step, wasn't it? Can you make it?
I don't think I can.
Grandma, can you help her?
I'm going I'm gonna get down those bars.
Okay.
Put your leg up.
Well, you
Put
do
one leg
that.
up there. There you go. There you go. Hike it over top of it. There you go. No, she's got you, sweetie.
Can you do it?
No.
Here.
Next up there.
Are you okay?
Oh.
Wow.
You got
Just
it.
slide.
There you go. That helps build in muscles on your arm.
All right, now look, hey, she did it. Can you do it?
Be careful.
Can you get over there in the center?
Grandma ain't gonna let you fall, sweetie. Here, let me get over there.
I don't think I can do it.
But you have to try. Don't you want to try? There you go.
I'm trying.
Yeah, be brave.
No, I can't do it.
Okay. All right, now, is it fun?
Yeah.
You feeling all that wind?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Yeah.
You're hanging on for dear life with both ropes, ain't you?
Yeah.
She's hanging on to one rail like that. See, now she's getting on both. Now she's back on one. There you go. See, you're right in the middle, and your feet can't hit the logs or anything. So is that fun?
Yeah.
Face away from it. Keep your face away from it.
I can walk her back.
Oh, here you go.
Nora!
Okay, so how was it?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Was the bounce better?
Yeah.
All right, as long as you can handle it.